Welcome to Boundary Ford, located 2502 50th Ave, Border City. Today we're looking at this beautiful brand new 2023 Ford F-150 Platinum. The exterior color is carbonized gray, and under the hood is a 3.5 liter V6 engine paired to a 10-speed automatic transmission. At the front we have automatic headlamps as well as fog lamps and an engine block heater, and over to the side we have 20-inch aluminum wheels up in grappler tires as well as chrome handles and chrome mirror caps. This 2023 also comes with a remote start as well as remote keyless entry. At the rear, we have a power-lift tailgate, as well as a rear camera with reverse sensing systems. At the interior, we have enclosed driver-friendly features including power locks, power windows, as well as adjustable mirrors and door storage. Making our way into the cabin, you'll see our lovely black leather seating with adjustments located on the side, as well as our lumbar support. Over our steering column, we have our automatic headlamp settings, as well as a telescopic steering wheel. Our cruise control options on the left and right, and our median hand-free options, which is above being our rearview mirror along with our cabin lighting. Looking at center face, the options available such as audio, phone integration, navigation, favorites, apps, settings, and features, which is below being a climate control area, which provides air conditioning, heating, as well as we have heated seats, heated steering wheel, and cooling seats. If there are any more questions about this beautiful pre-owned 2023 Ford F-150 Platinum, then please do not hesitate to contact our friendly and professional sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answer any questions you may have. Thank you for shopping here with us at Boundary Ford.